Hello friends, you might have surprised by seeing this thumbnail with my photo. So this is the first time in last 4 years I have added my photo to this YouTube thumbnail. So going forward, you will see my face in upcoming videos as well. So last time when I was doing live streams, that time I used my web camera. So some of might have seen me during those live streams. So anyways, let's start with our PNL. Okay, for those people who have just clicked to see how much profit or loss I have made in this month of August, so for them, let me make them pretty quickly. So I have made around 60,000 rupees profit in option buying this month of August 2026. So we are on Zerodha portal. You can see my name here. This time let's start with capital. So this month I have started with 20,000 capital, I think on 12th of August. So let's go to funds, view statement. Let me change the date from 1st of August till 23rd of August. Okay, so here you can see, let me zoom in further. Here you can see I have added funds from 12th of August, 20,000 rupees. So I have compounded this till the end of 18th August. Now let's go to PNL section. We need to open the console. Okay, so this is the equity curve. Let's ignore that. Let's go to reports, PNL. Let's put the starting date from 1st of August till 23rd of August. So it's equity. We need to change the segment. Futures and option date is 1st August and last date is, that is today's date, is 23rd August. Okay, so you can see our realized PNL is around 63,500 rupees. We have paid charges of around 1500 rupees and net PNL is around 62,000 rupees. Gross is around 63,400 rupees. If we see the trade book, just a moment. Okay, so as I have mentioned, I started from 12th August. So 12th August profit is around 5,700 rupees. So that day I took two trades. So if we go here, so this is the first trade I took on 12th of August in Nifty. We made loss of around 3,800 rupees on first trade, and then second trade I took in Sensex on the same day, where we have made 9,600 rupees profit. So overall day was green, it is around 5,700 rupees. So next day we have made around 18,000 rupees profit, and after that small profit of 4,000 rupees. So trading for 3 days in this week, after on 17th August we have made very good profit of around 34,600 rupees. If we go to the trade book, so this is the breakup of the trades. So as I mentioned, in the first thing in the morning on the Sensex expiry, I was on profit. I was in the profit of around 48,000 rupees. So I took the risk of 50% capital or 50% profit, and same day on expiry I have made around 29,000 loss. So this is the biggest loss of 29,000 and biggest profit is 48,000 in this month. So in this month we have hardly traded for 4 days and we have made profit of 60,000 rupees. As you know, I don't trade entire month, so based on my office schedule I trade whenever I am free and whenever I am available and based on the market conditions. Now let's see our overall PNL sheet starting from April, which I have shared in month of May. So this is the 2026 slide which we are tracking from April. So in month of April, I have made around 180k profit. In month of May, 50k. This month of June and July, I couldn't share even the live trade videos and PNL. So let's keep this as a surprise, so we can have that surprise reveal in month of September when I will share my 6-month PNL. So June and July was quite tough for me after increasing the capital. So that's the reason I have reduced my capital in August. And started with 20k capital. So this month, after having good profit of 60k, I have stopped trading for this month. And okay, so we are back on our PNL tab. So let's cross check once more time. So total realized PNL is around 63,000 and net PNL is around 62,000 in this month of August 2026. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.